Dear students, welcome to online live class 8 English version. Again, this is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you and your family are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today also we will discuss our chapters 9, that means exercise 9. It will be our part 3. Dear students, today we will discuss our another 3 problems. Problem number 8, 9 and 11. Dear students, look. Problem number 8 said that in triangle ABC, angle A equal 1 right angle, that means 90 degree, and D is a point 1 AC. Now we have to prove that BC square plus AD square equal BD square plus AC square. So now dear students, we can start. At first we can draw our figure. Suppose this one, this A, this is right angle 90 degree, and now look, another, suppose this is our B and this is our C, and D is a midpoint on AC, so it is the midpoint of AC. Now we have to prove that, so we can join B and D because this is BD, so join BAD. Now we have to prove that. So dear student, at first write your particular enunciation. Now particular enunciation, we can say that question, this is our particular enunciation. Now we can write in triangle ABC, angle A equal 1 right angle, and D is a point on AC. Now we have to prove that, so we can say it is required to prove that, now what is this our question? It is required to prove that BC square plus AD square equal BD square plus AC square. Now dear student, we can go to our proof part. This is our particular lesson. Now we can write our proof part. So what will be our proof part? Now dear students, there are two right angle triangles. At first we can say in triangle ABD, this is a right angle triangle, and here BD is the hypotenuse. So we can write according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can write here BD square equal AB square plus AD square. Now dear students, look, this is our AD, so we have to find the value of AD. So we can write, or AD square, it will be AB square minus BD square. So we can say this is our equation number 1. Suppose, now dear students, look, another right angle triangle, this is ABC. So now we can go to the another right angle triangle in triangle ABC. Here we can write BC square equal AB square plus AC square. Look, this is our BC square. So dear students, now we can write, suppose this is equation number 2. Now if we add, now 1 plus 2. Now if we add the equation 1 and 2, then what will be the answer? Now we can write, it will be BC square plus AD square. BC square plus AD square. Now AB square and AB square. Look, this is our dear students, look, it will be BD square minus AB square. Sorry, it will be our BD square minus AB square. So now we can write, it will be BD square minus AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AC square plus AC square. Now AB square and AB square, if you minimize, now we can say it will be BD square plus AC square. So this is our proof part, BD square plus AC square. Very simple, just you have to apply our Pythagoras theorem. Then this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now if we add, why we have to add? Look, our question required that we have to prove that this one, so there is plus sign. So if we add, then we will get our answer. Very simple. Now dear students, we can go to our problem number 9. In triangle ABC, angle A is again 90 degree or 1 right angle. If D and E are respectively the midpoint of AB and AC, then we have to prove that D square equal C square plus BD square. So now dear students, at first we have to draw the figure. Now problem number 9. Suppose this is our again right angle triangle. A is the 90 degree, and suppose this is our ABC. Now look, D and E. D is the midpoint of AB. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint on AC respectively. So this is the midpoint of AC. Now we have to prove that D is square. That means we need to connect DE. We have to prove that D square equal to this. So now dear students, at first we can write the particular enunciation. In triangle ABC, angle A equal 90 degree or one right angle, and D and E are the midpoint of AB and AC respectively. Particular enunciation means we have to write the question. Now it is required to prove that DE square equal C square plus BD square. Dear students, this is our required part. We have to prove that this one. So now we can go to our proof part. Dear students, here D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, we can write AD equal BD. So we can write AD equal BD. And E is the midpoint of AC and E is the midpoint of AC. So here we can write AE equal CE. Clear, dear students? Now look, this is our right angle triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE we can write D square equal AD square plus A square. We can write, or A square equal AD square. So we can write A square plus AD square. Now dear students, look, A square. Now here we know AE and C both are same. For replacing AE we can write C. So it will be C square, and for replacing AD we will be able to write BD. So now we can write this will be BD. Now it will be BD square, and this is our D square. Now look, D square equal C square plus BD square. This is our required part. Very simple, just AE and C same and AD and BD are same because they are the midpoint. So we can write this one for replacing them. So this is our required part. So we can say this is proved. Very simple, dear students. Clear? Okay. Now we can go to our problem number 11. Now dear student, you can say that sir, where is the problem number 10? Look, problem number 10 and 11 both are same thing. 11 number is the more extension than problem number 10. If you solve problem number 11, then problem number 10 will be already solved. Clear? Don't worry, I will discuss. So today we will discuss 8, 9, 11 and also 10, and we can say it will be also 10 because 10 and 11 both are same pattern part. I will say which one is the 10 number. I will show you. Now dear students, look the problem number 11. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular to BC. AD will be perpendicular to BC and P is any point, and P is any point on AD, and AB greater than AC, and AB side it will be greater than AC side. Now we have to prove this one. Now what is our question number 10? Our problem number 10 said that P is any point 1 AD. This is missing. P is any point 1 AD. This is missing, and our proof that would be another. So dear student, at first we can write the figure. Suppose this is our problem number 11. Look, dear student, problem number 11 said that AD is the perpendicular to BC. So we can write as the figure. There is no right angle part. Suppose this is our, and AB will be greater than SC. Clear? So we can write this is AB, and suppose this is our SC. So AB and this is suppose SC. Clear, dear student? So now we can write if AB greater than SC. If AB greater than SC and AD, this is D. Look, this is our D. So AD, this is the perpendicular one BC. This is the AD and this is the perpendicular one BC. And P is any point. Any point. You can say P is there. You can say P is there. You can say P is there. Suppose this is P. Suppose, because P is any point. Clear? So suppose now we have to prove that PB square PC square. So we need to connect PB and PC. Now we have to prove that. So dear students, if we write our answer, look, if we go to our answer, then at first write the particular enunciation. Now what is the particular enunciation? We can say in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular one BC, AD is the perpendicular one BC, and P is any point, and P is any point on AD, and P is any point on AD, and AB greater than SC, and look, AB greater than SC. So now we have to prove this. Okay, now we can say that it is required to prove that. Now it is required to prove that which one? We can write our, this is PB square minus PC square equal AB square minus SC square. So dear students, at first you have to write our particular enunciation, and we know what is the particular enunciation. Particular enunciation, that means this is our question part. This question you have to write as your own process, then this will be our particular enunciation. Just you have to line it is required to prove them. So now this is our question demand. We have to prove that PB square minus PC square, it will be equal to AB square minus SC square. Now dear students, problem number 10. Problem number 10 said that AB square minus SC square equals something. If you go, you can look that AB square minus SC square, it will be BD square minus CD square. Problem number 10. Prove that AB square minus SC square equal BD square minus CD square. And this one. So if we solve problem number 11, problem number 10, it will be automatically solved. Now we can go to the, now dear students, this is our particular enunciation. Now we can go to the proof part. Now dear students, if we go to our proof part, now look at first this one. Suppose this is our proof part. Look, suppose this is our figure. This is our figure AC, and this is our B, and this is our AD, and this is our point P. This is the point P. Now dear students, look that here AD, this AD, this is 90 degree, this is perpendicular. Clear? This is perpendicular. Here D is the 90 degree. So here how many right angle triangle, dear students? Look, there are 4 right angle triangles: ABD, ACD, PBD, PCD. So there are 4 right angle triangles. Now suppose at first we can take the greater 2 right angle triangle, ABD and ACD. Now dear students, look, in triangle ABD, now we can write AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Suppose this is our equation number 1. In triangle ACD, so according to the Pythagoras, we can write AC square equal AD square plus CD square. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now dear students, now equation 1 minus 2. Now if subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Now it will be ab square minus ac square. Ab square minus ac square equal this one, ad square plus bd square plus ad square plus cd square. Now if we remove the bracket, dear students, ad square plus bd square minus ad square minus cd square. Now ad square and ad square remove, it will be bd square minus cd square. So we can say ab square minus ac square equal bd square minus cd square. Suppose this is our equation number 3. Look dear student, this equation number 3, this is the question of problem number 10. Problem number said that prove that ab square minus ac square equal bd square minus cd square. So if you get the problem number 10, just you have to write this one, because there is no point of p. And 11 number, just extension, here p is ad, point 1 ad. Now PBD and PCD, another two right angles. So we can get another two triangle. Now we can write in triangle PBD. In triangle PBD, we can write PB square equal PD square plus BD square. Suppose this is our equation number 4. Now dear students, in triangle PCD, this is also right angle triangle, we can write PC square equal PD square plus CD square. Suppose this is our equation number 5. Now dear students, now our equation number 4 and 5. 5 is subtracted from 4, then it will be PB square minus PC square. PB square minus PC square equal, look, PD square and PD square will be minimized. If we minus, now it will be BD square and this will be minus CD square. Similar thinking. Just I can write the details, you can show it details. Clear? Now suppose this is our equation number 6. Now dear students, from equation number 3 and equation number 6, look, the right side are same, BD square minus CD square, here also BD square minus CD square. So among these two equations, in the between two equations, their right part is same, so we can say their left part will be also same. Therefore we can write PB square minus PC square, it will be equal to AB square minus AC square. Dear students, look, this is our proving part. So dear students, we can say our problem number 8, 9, 10 and 11 also solved. Now today we will solve our 4 problems. And similarly, next you will get some MCQ. Problem number 12 to something, you will get some MCQ, and last one you will get 2 creative questions, 22 number and 23 number. 22 number, this is our theorem of Pythagoras, and 23 number already solved. If you go to you can get among these 3 problem number 1 to 11, you will get the answer of problem number 23. Clear dear students? Now take your practice more and more, then it will be more easiest for you. Thank you. No more to be.